Have you heard about the 7-day rule that applies to prenups in California? California's family code requires that your prenuptial agreement be in its final form at least 7 days before you sign it. You'll want to get your prenup squared away far in advance so that you don't have to rush through it. You should start putting words to paper a minimum of 2 to 3 months before you plan to get married, in order to leave yourselves enough time to negotiate and sign an agreement you're happy with. I know, 2 to 3 months is a long time when we can't even remember what we had for dinner last night. But the point is, you'll want to give yourself and your partner a ton of time to go through this process and cover every aspect with confidence. You'll also need to factor in travel time if you're planning an out-of-town wedding, and time for an attorney if you plan to include spousal support provisions. Make sure you plan this out so you and your partner can sign the agreement well before it's time to fly off into the sunset. So, what happens if you're less than 7 days out from your wedding and you either don't have a final agreement or haven't even started drafting one yet? Well, at that point, you can no longer have a prenuptial agreement unless you either postpone the wedding, or you can discuss your options regarding a postnuptial agreement immediately after the wedding with an experienced family law attorney in your area.